Toyota's success story is a perfect example of how a company can overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges by thinking outside the box and adopting innovative practices. The Japanese automaker's success was not only due to its technological advancements but also its supply chain management practices that revolutionized the way the industry operated. Toyota faced several challenges in its early years that threatened to derail its success. Firstly, Japan is a small country with limited natural resources and a low population density. This made land and labor costs very expensive, and it was difficult for Toyota to acquire the capital and machinery necessary for large-scale manufacturing. Secondly, after World War II, Japan was devastated by the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and the country was struggling to rebuild its economy. This made survival difficult for Toyota and other Japanese companies, as they faced a shortage of resources and a highly competitive global market. Thirdly, Toyota was competing against established American companies like General Motors and Ford, which had a significant advantage in terms of capital, technology, and production capacity. These companies had dominated the global automotive industry for decades and were seen as the leaders in manufacturing excellence. The conventional method adopted by companies involved predicting the demand for cars in the future and placing large orders to avail discounts on raw materials, then manufacture accordingly. Despite the challenges, Toyota was determined to find a way to compete with American companies and build a successful business. This led them to think differently about manufacturing and supply chain management, and to develop innovative solutions that would give them a competitive edge. Here are a few lessons that made Toyota a billion-dollar company. 1. Efficiency over capital and machinery. Before explaining this point, would like to define couple of terms. Lean manufacturing. It focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing efficiency in production. This approach involves removing any unnecessary steps in the manufacturing process and reducing inventory to minimize costs. The goal is to produce only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the amount needed, which results in higher quality products, reduced costs, and increased customer satisfaction. Just-in-time inventory model. It involves producing goods just in time to meet demand, rather than producing goods in advance and storing them in inventory until they are needed. This approach reduces inventory costs and eliminates the risk of producing too much of a product, resulting in less waste. Toyota's just-in-time model is achieved through the implementation of efficient production processes, such as continuous flow manufacturing and quick changeovers, as well as strong supplier relationships and a focus on quality control. Toyota realized that it could not compete with American automakers when it came to capital and machinery. However, it could still outperform them in terms of efficiency. By adopting lean manufacturing principles and implementing just-in-time inventory practices, Toyota was able to reduce waste and improve efficiency, ultimately resulting in lower costs. 2. Customer-driven manufacturing. Toyota's supply chain model was customer-driven. By producing only what customers wanted, the company was able to minimize waste and optimize its manufacturing processes. This customer-centric approach ensured that Toyota was always able to provide its customers with the products they wanted, when they wanted them, leading to a high level of customer satisfaction. 3. Continuous improvement. Toyota's supply chain model was built on the philosophy of Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Toyota's Kaizen philosophy is a continuous improvement approach that focuses on making small, incremental improvements in processes and operations in order to increase efficiency, reduce waste, and improve quality. The philosophy is based on the idea that everyone in the organization is responsible for identifying areas for improvement and making changes to improve processes. The Kaizen philosophy involves several key principles, including teamwork, employee involvement, and standardization. It also emphasizes the use of data and metrics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. By adopting a Kaizen approach, Toyota has been able to create a culture of continuous improvement that has helped the company remain competitive and successful. 4. Collaborative relationships with suppliers. Toyota understood the importance of building strong, collaborative relationships with its suppliers. By working closely with its suppliers, Toyota was able to ensure that it received high-quality components at the right time and at the right price. This helped to reduce costs and improve efficiency, ultimately leading to a more robust and resilient supply chain. Conclusion: Toyota's success is a testament to the power of innovation, efficiency, and customer centricity. By adopting a unique supply chain model that focused on eliminating waste and improving efficiency, Toyota was able to overcome significant challenges and establish itself as one of the world's leading automakers. Companies looking to improve their supply chain practices can learn a great deal from Toyota's example and adopt similar principles to improve their own operations. By embracing continuous improvement, collaboration, and a customer-driven approach, companies can optimize their supply chains, reduce costs, and improve their overall competitiveness in the marketplace.